Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Patriot Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Ovid College 0. I'm joined by Roy.
Hey, Steve.
The best for last.
Hey, kunjani Steve?
Ngiyaphila ninjani baba?
Ngenze so before ngicontradict
Yeah. No. Yes.
Bacabanga ukuthi ngilaba abawina ngama last minute.
Yeah, awufani nabo.
Steve.
Ayafani.
Ngicela ukubonga ku Minister of Sport.
Yes.
Ukuthi athatha ama-fans wethu njengoba sicelile ukuthi ahambe nawe eAmerica.
Awuyiseli.
So sesiyakubonga lo. We are looking forward Steve ukuthi sikubone le.
Yeah.
Angazi noma practice yini. Is French or English, I don't know. Our first game sidlala neMexico.
Yes.
So angazi ukuthi practice yini.
Yeah.
So
angizopractice baba.
Ne.
Espili ungawari.
So Steve siyabonga lapho. Ngeke number 2 Steve ngicela ukuthi uPatrice Mr Mutsipe ipresident yethu eCAF. Sicela ukuthi indaba le abayenzako ayibheka ayithathela i-step because iMorocco kokucala ithathe iWorld Cup ngeAI. Yeah. AFCON sorry. Ithethe AFCON ngeAI. Badliwe egamini babuye egcineni bathi bona bayawina they demanded that cup over ku boardroom.
Yes, over Senegal.
Over Senegal bayithatha khona bayikhuluma kuphi ku boardroom. So lento lekusho ukuthi bas undermine.
Yeah.
Number 2 nyalo ama fans weMorocco babuya futhi bazobhulisha I can't say babhulisha iSundowns because babhulisha iSundowns eSouth Africa kusho ukuthi basidelela thina siSouth Africa.
Too much.
Yabona. So
too much.
Number basola lapho futhi badelaya iflight yabo. Sundowns is a big team ukuthi bangahlala bahlule ukwenza izinto zabo organize. Yabona. Bashaya organization yabo very good. But because of iMorocco yasidelela thina siSouth Africa. Lama team wale ku North basidelela thina ngapha. So that thing I wish ukuthi iSundowns ikusasa iwine ibuye necup. Hayi for bona but for thina as South Africans. Uphakama kweSundowns, uphakama kweleague yethu la Mzansi. Steve angibonge iPirate man.
For
ukuthi ithathe icup le namhlanje after 14 years. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi nezingane zethu abazalwe manje bazokwazi ukuthi ikhona iPirate. Bebangazi ukuthi iPirate ikhona. Bekuthulekile
for a long time.
But manje sebayazi ukuthi nePirate. So asiyibongise iPirate ukuthi and nabo abathathanga lePirate le team babodwana phela le league. Bayithathe kunama contribution ama team out 3-4 ababa assistile. And I'm the best one. It's Galaxy. Show I'm the best one ukuthi uba assistile ukuthi bathathe le cup trophy. So siyababongisa kulo ukuthi at least baqede idraft yeSundowns that winning consistently. Bazamile ukuyiqeda. So we really appreciate that. Basifundisa futhi nesifundo ukuthi there's nothing impossible. Everything is possible. So nathi sizoyithatha le say next season. I believe ukuthi iTS Galaxy yothola something. Yothola something. I believe. Sacela nje ukuthi ku chairman wethu Tim Sukazi asigcinele uBernard Parker. Because he's coming good. Yabona. So siyacela kanjalo and then iPirate isikhombile ukuthi yonke into ngakhona ukuyithatha. It's possible. It's not all about ukuthi iSundowns ngefala ithathe yonke into. iGuard of Honor eshaya nge5 games before. So siyabonga ku Pirate ukuthi at least isivalele umlomo ku Sundowns because Mamelodi bengasangeneki. I used to go to Mamelodi my bra.
Bengangeneki da.
Angeneke Mamelodi my bra. My friends, Mamelodians, Sundowns fans. Bakhuluma labantu. Too much. Nalo omunye nje manje ongifanele konanga uyiPirate. Bafuna
ukungena.
Angazi ukuthi ufuna ukungibonga ufuna angazi because mina yet they say ama Pirate pain landed to other teams. thina asinankinga thina.
Ne-Pirate.
Asinankinga ne-Pirate.
Yeah.
Bose asistile bathatha icup.
Kodwa basazokuhlafuna.
Ngaba promise ukuthi iPirate uma ibiya la eMbombela next season. Beze ba sharp.
Yeah,
because sinabafana abancane sibapheka uBennett Parker wapromotile 2 or 3 there from TTC ku game yethu yeSundowns so introduce uculo okusho ukuthi siza kahle
ngiyakuthola
so Sithibo ngiyabonga ukuthi nihambe my brother ngiyacemba ngizonibona next year bangabe sebakuthatha leAmerica
ngiyabuya
uyabuya
hayi mama muzosala nobani lesowethu
awuhambe naye kanti Sithibo
hayi uyasala bhuti umdala
akuzokulingiwa
hayi next time uzohamba nawe uyabona okwamanje ngene ngelenaliti uyabona ngibombe enaliti ngihamba ngiyi-1
ne
uzozibona
then uyovula indlela
uyangithola thank you baba
thank you Sithibo
kakhulu
sharp
sure baba